welcome back. Welcome back. This is the phase modulation. In this, the phase of the carrier wave change with respect to the instantaneous values of the modulating signal. In other terms, the phase deviation is occurs due to the modulating voltage. Okay, so modulating signal x of t and carrier signal c of t. So carrier signal AC cos omega ct, you will know, plus pi. So modulating phase modulating signal APM of t AC cos of psi psi of t. This is nothing but we already discussed in previous session. Okay, here we considered it as omega ct plus kp m of t. It means psi of t equal to carrier in terms of, it is the function of, it means the phase, the function of the message signal, and here we consider it as carrier and plus kpm of t. In order to message signal, the phase changes occur. That's why kp is a constant, variance constant is the rad per voltage. The phase sensitivity is occur here. Okay, so then it is written as AC cos omega ct plus kp m of t. Okay, this is the simple relation. This scenario all are is discussed in FM class. Okay, then the frequency deviation. The frequency deviation in PM means derivative of psi of t. It means the derivative of psi of t is nothing but a frequency. It means the derivative of angle is nothing but a frequency. We already told in previous class. So the derivative of psi of t is nothing but a omega ct plus kp m of t. So then it is right as omega c plus kp derivative of m of t. Okay, so omega c plus delta of omega, this is the frequency deviation. That frequency deviation causes the phase deviation, is nothing but okay, here also deviation of the frequency but it is opposite of the frequency modulation. You just you don't confuse in that a simple point. In the phase modulation also occurs the frequency deviation only, but that is the exact opposite of the what done in the frequency modulation. That's why it is they considered it as the phase. Okay, using that relation angle and frequency relation, this is the we generate the phase angle modulation. Okay, and another relation, the what is the frequency and phase modulation, the relation of the frequency and phase modulation. You just observe both the frequency and phase modulation. Here the integral of the message signal creates the frequency modulation. In the phase modulation, derivative of the message signal is the phase deviation. You just observe both the points. In order to compare the both the terms, we conclude here like this. This is the relation between the frequency and phase modulation. or conversion between the frequency and phase. First of all, the message signal passed, or message signal applied to the an integrator. The integrator, that integrator output is integral over m of t into d uh, d of t, m of t into dt. That is further fed to the phase modulator. The output is fm here. Sorry. The output is fm here. uh, in similar way, the message signal is fed to the derivator, mean differentiator. Then that output of the differentiator fed to the frequency modulator. The output will be phase modulation. By observing the two equations of the phase and the frequency modulation equations, we conclude like this. Okay. This is the integral part. This is the integral part. Integral part of the message signal. This integral part of the message signal, with the combination of the, you just observe this is the integral part. This integral part is further summed with carrier component. Okay, that's why in order to get the frequency modulation, we first send to the integrator. Then that integration of the message signal further fed to the phase modulator. It means the phase deviation occurs. Then the frequency of final output is frequency modulation. You just observe these equations, you clearly understand that. Here also the derivative, the differentiation of the message signal, then mixed with the frequency deviation. That's why the final output is phase deviation. We consider it as phase deviation. Okay, that is the relation between the frequency and phase modulation. Okay, sometimes it is also asked in examinations. You just draw both the block diagrams and write the equations and explain that. Okay, this is the modulation index. What is the modulation index? Means modulation index is the ratio between ratio of the frequency deviation to the modulating frequency. Modulating frequency means fm, message frequency, and frequency deviation. The message frequency causes the message voltage causes the frequency deviation. So modulation index fm equal to delta by fm. Okay, you just understand modulation index in the angular modulation is, or frequency modulation is, delta by fm. This modulation index of the fm decides the bandwidth of the fm wave and number of side bands in the fm wave. That is we see in the next class. Okay, deviation ratio, the maximum index, the modulation index corresponding to the maximum deviation and a maximum modulating frequency is called deviation ratio. So the maximum deviation occurs when the maximum it means the peak, positive peak of the modulating signal. So maximum modulating frequency is the f max. So in generally in fm wave, in fm there is the possible maximum possible deviation is limited to 75 kilohertz. It means the maximum modulating frequency is also limited to 15 kilohertz. You just remember that these two points. The percentage of modulation index of FM is the ratio of the actual deviation produced by the modulating signal to the maximum allowable frequency deviation. This is the formula for the percentage of the modulation index. Okay, so percentage of the modulation index means actual deviation to the maximum allowable deviation, means how much of a deviation there is what chance how much we reach the maximum allowable deviation and present deviation. These two ratio is called percentage of modulation index, and the deviation ratio is the maximum deviation to the maximum modulating frequency. The modulation deviation is 75 kilohertz maximum deviation ratio, and the modulating frequency maximum limited to the 15 kilohertz. Just remember that point. The modulation index is the frequency deviation over the modulating frequency. Okay, I hope understand this concept. Phase modulation and frequency modulation. Phase modulation is also in terms of output wave. In the output wave also frequency deviation in the phase modulation. So nothing but the phase modulation is the is also a frequency modulation, but the opposite. What exactly happen in the output wave of the frequency modulation is completely reversed in the phase modulation. You just remember that this is the about the phase modulation. So we completely discussed about FM only. So whatever it is, maybe the frequency deviation occurs in the both the modulation. That frequency deviation we consider it as the angle modulation. Thank you.